running of this hostel running towards that truck, Aldrin. But usathapi lezi.
Ngisithathe la trucking.
Why?
Ayi siwumphathi kuningi esikhala ngakho. Sibhidlizelwe ama-room asina ama-room. Kuningi esikhala ngakho, sikhala nangama-toilet. Ama-toilet ethu awaflashwa futhi enjalo awacleanwa lawa manual, you see.
But why loot the trucks? How's that helping your cause?
Maybe they might understand what we are asking or what we are praying for. You understand me?
Why torch trucks? I mean, one truck was set on fire on the highway. Goods are being taken from our truck.
Maybe government will see how we feel about what we need.
But then resorting to criminal activities, how's that helping your cause?
That might be very sad because there's a lot of people who are dying there in the streets, you see. That might cost us, might cost government, might cost everything, but we wish the government should see our situation and help us.
I'm not sure, Aldrin, as we start moving again, how this is helping their cause. I mean, I'm trying pressing the gentleman on how this is helping their cause. What are the living conditions, Baba? Because a couple of our community members are crying about the living conditions here, and that's why they resorted to strike.
Kusho ukuthi baba mangizwa khulunywa la kuthiwa kunezindle ebeyiphumelela zala abahlali bala hostel ne. So lezi ndlela sedliwe. Sithathwa abanye abantu bakwenye indawo. So that's why that's why strike sisuka ngoba kukhulunywa indaba zezindlu. Ukuthi izindlu bezazi abantu ba la Diepkloof.
He tells us that they were led by the intelligence. Some of those people who looted came to this hostel. So one arrest effected so far. As we make our way inside this unit, just bear with us, Michelle. So there you have it, Michelle. They are confiscating this cans of pilchards. They believe they were looted from one of the trucks which was looted in the morning. There we see the Gauteng Crime Prevention Wardens conducting that search together with the SAPS members. We're going to move in closer just to see what is going on in this specific room, Michelle. And as you can see, I'm a distant from what you are seeing on shot, but I think I can see packets of chicken portions being taken from this household. Let's just listen in for a couple of seconds.